Welcome to Saad Educare. This video we are going to start some practice based on telling the time, and we are following Cambridge Primary Mathematics WorkBook 2. Let's start. First question. Here is mentioned complete the digital clock to match the analog clocks. So this is our analog clocks. So the minute sticks in 2 and the hour on 4. Therefore, we can say the hour is 4 and 2 means what? 2 means we know 1 means 5 times table, 1 times 5, 2 times 5 equals to 10. It means here is 10. Similar, this one, the hour on 10 and 11, middle of 10 and 11, and the minute on 5. This 5 means what? We know 3 times 5 is a 15, 4 times 5 is a 20, 5 times 5 is a 25. So minutes 25, and 10 and 11 middle of hour, it means it should 10, not 11. It's a 20 minute. We can write this one 25 minute past 10. Okay, next, here is the hour middle of 9 and 8 but not 9, so we can say this one is 8, and the minute on 3, it means 3 times 5 is a 15. Okay, next, the hour on slight left side to 7 from 6 but not 7, it means this is 6, and the minute on 1 means 1 times 5 is a 5, so 0, 5. So very simple, we are trying to solve digital clocks to match the analog clocks. Now draw the hands on the analog clocks to match the digital clocks. So here is 6 and 15, so hour should near 6, okay, and minute on 3. Why on 3? Because we know 3 times 5 equals to 15, right? Next, 7:20, so this is on 7, and 20 means what? 4 times 5 equal 20. 20 means the minutes on 4. Okay, next, 5, so 5 is an hour, and minute also 5 means 1. Okay, next, 4:25, 4 is an hour need little bit smaller, like, so this is hour, and 15 not, this is 25 means 5 times 5 is a 25, so this is here. Okay, so done. So very easy, question 1 and 2 done, and we are following Cambridge Primary Mathematics WorkBook 2. Today we are trying to solve several types of math based on telling the time. Next one, look, now here is mentioning make each pair of clocks show the time, show the same time. So this is digital clock and this is analog clock. Digital clock mentioned 7:55, it means it's 7 but already 55, it means it's near 8, so our clock should be near 8 but not exactly on 8. So we can write like this. This is our hour, and minute it's 11:55. Again we can write this on 1 times 5 is a 5, 2 times 5 is a 10, then 3 times 5 is a 15. So it means this is 1, so it's a 1 means 5. Again this is 1 and this is 2, so here like this. So similar, 11 times 5 means 55. Now look, here is 6 and 7 near, not exact on 7. So we can write this one 6 and minute stick on 10. 10 means what? 10 times 5 is a 50. So we can write 50. Okay. Now next one, the hour on between 6 and 5, it means it's a 5, and minute on 9. 9 means what? 9 times 5 is a 45. So we can write this is 45. 9:30. So 9 is an hour, and 30 means what? 6 times 5 is a 30. So this is here. Okay. Next, 1:40. 1 and already past 40 minutes. It means the hour is not exact on 1, it's between 1 and 2. Okay. And 40 means what? 8 times 5 is a 40. So we can write this is 40. Okay. And this is next one, the hour between 3 and 4. It means it should 3. And minute on 7. 7 means what? 7 times 5 is a 35. So we can write 35. Okay. Done. So this video we are trying to solve 3 different type of problem. So we are trying to another problem, which is how many minutes are in quarter of an hour. So just remember, quarter means what? Quarter means 15. So how many minutes are there in quarter of an hour? It should 15 minutes. So this video we are trying to stop here. We are trying to solve 4 math based on telling the time. Next video, it means practice part 2. We will start from number 5, which is very much important for examination and practical life. So please subscribe my channel, which is Saad Educare, where I will try to solve lots of math based on primary level, and I will follow Cambridge Primary Mathematics book. Okay. So thank you very much. Subscribe my channel and take care yourself. Thank you.